Bhoger Khichdi, as the name suggests, is an offering to the goddess. Since Saraswati Pujo is around the corner, today let's make Bengali Bhoger Khichdi. Hey guys, welcome to Rajshri Food, which is your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. Let's begin. Well, when I used to study in Delhi many years back, I had a lot of Bengali housemates, and this is something that they used to make. So this is a recipe of my housemates from Delhi. The first thing is we heat a pan on high flame and we toss in the moong dal. We need to lower the flame and roast this till they are just lightly golden brown in color. The moong dal is roasted till it's light golden in color. The next step is to transfer this in a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add in a cup full of water. And this is to kind of wash the dal. Do not overwash this because you do not want the flavor to go off. Stir this well. Drain off the water or the liquid. The next step is turning the flame on again, and this time I'm going to add in just like a tablespoon of regular oil. This is regular vegetable oil. Swirl it around the pan, and to this I'm going to add in Gobindobhog Rice. Well, this is a very traditional Bengali rice. All you need to do is wash this well, and then you need to kind of dry it off. That's when you get these grains which are ready to be cooked. Well, roasting the dal and the rice while making a khichdi is very important because that way the flavor of the khichdi kind of gets accentuated. That's something that's traditionally done. Well, in case you cannot lay your hands on Gobindobhog, you can use any short grain rice which is non-sticky. Well, but the magic of Gobindobhog is Gobindobhog. After a minute of stirring on high flame, of course the flame goes off and this gets transferred into the dal. Let's move on to some vegetables. Well, traditionally, cauliflower, peas and potatoes are used in this recipe. First things first, of course, is the cauliflower. We cut these into large florets. Well, this is something that does not mush up in the khichdi. The vegetables are actually very prominent in this khichdi. So we need to cut these into larger chunks or bits. Well, these vegetables also need to be just sauteed lightly. For this, of course, oil in the pan again. Very little, not too much. And once that heats up, we're going to add in washed cauliflower. We need to toss this on high flame till this kind of just gets those little beautiful burn marks. And in the interim, let's also start peeling potatoes. These also need to be washed and cut into larger chunks or halves. These also need to be tossed in with the cauliflower, and we need to wait till they get these little scotch marks. This also needs to be transferred in the dal and the rice mix. Well, this in a way becomes a collection point for the goodness called Bhoger Khichdi. This goes back on the flame, and to this, let's begin making the khichdi. First things first, oil in a pan, and to this, we're going to add in whole Garam Masala or spices. Bay leaves, green cardamom, a stick of cinnamon, and a few cloves. To this, I'm also going to add in red chillies. Just break these into half, stir fry it a little, and to this, I'm going to add in cumin seeds. Once these start spluttering, we're going to add in the entire mix of dal, rice and the vegetables. Stir this well. The next is to add in water, and this is 2 times the quantity of dal and rice. Allow this to cook on high flame, but before that, do not forget to stir the mix. In the interim, let's make a spice mix in another pan. Well, for this, I'm taking a spoonful of ghee. Well, I personally know that Bengalis love a variety of ghee called jharna ghee. Well, by any chance, if you can lay your hands on that, by all means do that. But otherwise, cow's ghee is something that also works just perfectly. In a larger bowl, we need to take ginger, garlic and green chili paste. To this, we need to add in turmeric powder. Along with this, Bengali Garam Masala or Masala, hing, and along with this, some water. Convert this into a nice and smooth paste by just kind of mixing it well. And this straight goes in the ghee that's now heating up. Cook this masala till the raw smell kind of goes away. The cooked masala finally goes into the khichdi mix. And along with this, we also need to add in a few more ingredients. The first one, of course, is green peas, a few green chilies, break it into half. At this stage, we also need to add in some tomatoes. Let's add in these chopped tomatoes. Finally, 2 flavors, rather 2 flavor enhancers. The first one is sugar, salt as required. Finally, this needs to be stirred well, covered and cooked at medium to low flame for 20 minutes or till the dal, rice and vegetables are beautifully cooked. The khichdi is perfectly cooked, nice and mushy. With this, off goes the flame, and here is the addition of a final ingredient, and that is ghee. Let's drizzle this beautifully well. Let's give this a mix, and let's serve this. This khichdi is served to all the devotees of the goddess, and this is also known as Yellow Moong Dal Khichdi. Well, this is a khichdi that I personally have made for Saraswati Pujo. But trust me, you will need no occasion, no season, no festival, because this is traditional and trust me, amazing. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rajshri.